What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. Today on this video I wanted to share with you one of the channel that we have actually been building, and you can see the results in the last 90 days, right? I'll also change this to last 28 days so you can actually see the results, right? And to be honest, like, this channel we didn't start that long ago. We started this on a already monetized channel. That way, you can see we started to end from day one. As soon as we started uploading the video, we started getting the views, right? So pretty much we didn't started pumping content about maybe in May. As you can see, this is June, so it's probably been like a month. We have started heavily doubling down on the content on this particular channel, and you can see the views every 48 hours. Our goal on this channel is to get it to 5 million views every 48 hours, so that way we'll be making some good income on this particular channel, right? This channel is combination from short channel and also combining with video that's actually 1 minute to 2 minutes long, right? So that way the RPM is somewhere between, I'd say, 60 cents on the lower end and goes all the way to like 90 cents to 95 cents, right? So it's not that much, and I know that there's like a lot of people out there telling you that low CPM niche doesn't work, right? And here I'm here to prove you that that's actually wrong, right? Because if I go to the last 28 days, this style of channel is really cheap to run, right? You probably need like $20 to $40 a week to run this style of channel, and that's why we actually just profiting, right? So if I just do the last 7 days, you can see the numbers, right? On a weekly basis we're spending probably like $40, so you can see spending $40 making $400 is pretty good, right? Pretty good bang for your money, right? So if I go to last 28 days, made $800, but our goal on this channel is to get these views to about 5 million views every 48 hours, so that way we making like a bank, right? Very low competition niche, and I've actually been in this niche on an ongoing basis. Like, I started this niche maybe 2016, 2017, 2018. So I know this niche very well, how everything works. So I built many channels on this same niche, and I sold many channels. And now, just to document the process, I started this channel just to show you, like, even if you are actually in a low CPM niche, low RPM niche, you can make pretty good and decent income from this, right? And let me change this to lifetime, right? So lifetime revenue, lifetime views 4.9 million, right? So I'm not actually counting that. Let's count to 28 days. So this can be someone's grocery money, right? And pretty much spending like $40 a week, and 4 times 4 is 4 for 16, $160 you probably spending on videos, right? And this sort of videos is working really awesomely, right? And you can probably publish like as many or as little videos as you can on this particular channel, right? And I've also done a full document on this niche. I'll also be linking a video below this video, so you can go check it out. And that channel, I actually literally built it, and then I sold that channel. It was going somewhere between like 1600 to 2000, 2500 on a monthly basis, right? And it was going up and up, and I thought I'll just sell that channel, get an exit, and then I wanted to put that money into different places, like probably buying real estate, and doing other things like going traveling and stuff like that. You just don't want to be tied to a business and not able to enjoy your life, right? Because end of the day, you want to be enjoying your life as much as possible, right? So to cut the long story short, this channel that you see on the screen right now, we started with a already monetized channel. And just to show you that this is all real numbers, let me refresh the page so I can see the real numbers. And I cannot trick these sort of numbers, right? Especially on YouTube, and pretty much you can see the numbers 81767, and this will only go up and up, right? So we started this with an already monetized channel, right? And that's what we actually provide our clients, already monetized channel. And what we also provide our clients is we connect them to our team as well, right? And they pretty much know any niche that you want to get into, the team can create the video. So if you want to know more how we actually creating this channel and how we actually generating income from YouTube, and how we getting our monetized channel, so that way we can start earning from day one, get in touch with me. I'll leave my WhatsApp detail below this video, so you can click and connect to me via there, and then we can chat more in there, and then you can ask me any question. So again, until next time, I'll probably do another update on this channel probably in a week or so you can see the numbers. And hope you had fun, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and let me know in the comment if you want me to do any other video for you in the next upcoming video. Thank you, and God bless. Bye for now.